And before his passion and death, during the Last Supper, he instituted the Eucharist. And that is what we celebrate once again today. We celebrated it on Maundy Thursday. But since Jesus himself asked Sister Juliana that a feast has to be instituted, Corpus Christi, Pope Urban instituted this for the entire church in 1264. In the early church, what we call now Mass was not in that form. Every Sunday, they got together in one place. Apostles were there. Each one brought their own meals. And during having their meals, apostles broke the bread, shared it, and also the wine they shared with others. But as the church grew, there were abuses. For instance, in today's second reading, Saint Paul, to the letter to the Corinthians, first letter, chapter 11, tells them, don't you have your own homes to have a meal? You come here, and before others come, you already finished your meal. Some have eaten and have drunk, and others go hungry. Paul didn't like this, what the Corinthians did. Therefore, he tells them that what we are doing is not an ordinary act. It is not a ritual. It is core of our faith, which we celebrate. And Jesus himself instituted this. He became our food. And he asked us to do this in memory of him.